Welcome. In this lesson, we'll be creating a pipe via a 3D sketch with surface modeling. Let's start on the Sketch tab and activate 3D sketch mode. The design tree confirms that we're indeed in 3D sketch mode. The status bar also tells us that we're editing a 3D sketch. Let's begin with the line tool. In the graphic area, I've got two red arrows pointing in what are the X and Y directions as indicated by the letters next to the cursor. This, of course, means that we're working on the XY plane. Changing planes is very straightforward. I simply press the Tab key to change planes. The red arrows now point in the YZ direction, and the pointer indicator changes accordingly to YZ. This means that we're working on the YZ plane. Let's press the Tab key again. Now we're in the ZX plane. Press the Tab key again, and we're back to the XY plane. Let's begin by creating a line in the positive Y direction. Notice that I can snap my line to the Y axis. Feedback tells me my line is about 60 millimeters long. Left-click to accept. And let's create a second line, this time in the X direction. It'll be about 60 millimeters long as well. The next line I want in the Z direction, so let's tab. This will take me to the YZ plane. Let's snap the line to the Z axis, about 60 millimeters. Lastly, 60 millimeters along the Y axis, but let's make it slightly off axis. Left-click to accept, and right-click select to finish the line sequence. I'm going to select all 4 lines and add an equal relation. Select this line and add a relation along the Y-axis. Lastly, let's dimension our sketch. We'll make the line 60 millimeters. And we've got a fully defined sketch. Let's exit the sketch. Let's create a second sketch now. This time it'll be a 2D sketch. We'll start with a circle with its center at the origin point. Let's dimension it now. 10 millimeter diameter. OK, and exit our sketch. We're ready to move to the Surfaces tab. Let's activate the Swept Surface command. Profile is already pre-selected. Now let's select the path. A preview appears in the graphic area. Let's exit the sketch. And here is our pipe. Let's return to the 3D sketch now. I'm going to add fillets to this corner here. Solidworks requests confirmation that I indeed want to continue, and that's because when the fillet will be created, Solidworks needs to change the length of the line to satisfy the equal relation. And we do want to continue. Let's click Yes. Now we'll select this line and this line. The warning appears again, yes. Last corner, yes. OK to exit the Sketch Fillet tool. Now let's change our fillet radius value to 15 millimeters and exit the sketch. And we've got our 3D pipe. Let's save our part now. I'm going to call it L13 for lesson 13. Click Save. And this concludes our tutorial about creating a 3D pipe using the surface modeling tools.